This is the elevator.
That's not working.
Flying. Ooh, blue.
There we go.
Brand new. And of course he has to.
I love that. Finally, an original Signet 4.
Newer Signet 4 with the matte Atoll lens. Blue. Yeah, matte Atoll with blue. I don't see these fixtures very often. They're pretty cool.
In the floor, or not floor.
This is the cab.
Okay.
Decent, I gotta say. They have 2 elevators in this small building.
What was that? Ow. There it goes.
Oh, there's a fly. I should probably highlight the fact there's another elevator right there, but it's for deliveries only, so it's like a service elevator. Like, there's one right there, and then there's one here. And that one has a different indicator.
I guess it's traditional.
Still has matte Atoll though. Anyways, that's it.